Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold your right earlobe with your left hand and your left earlobe with your right hand. Exhale and come down into a squatting position. Return to the standing position as you inhale. Perform 6 to 12 reps, then switch the crossing of your hands and repeat for the same number of reps. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. This movement is similar to Thoppukaranam I, but it also incorporates Nasargamukha Bhastrika to produce a more energizing effect and to give a good massage to your lungs. Lower into a squatting position, exhaling forcefully through your mouth from the diaphragmatic lower lungs region. Return to the standing position, inhaling through your nose. Perform 6 to 12 reps. Then switch the crossing of your hands and repeat.